Hello, and welcome to the course named Learning Apollo GraphQL by Doug Ortiz from Illustrious LLC by Pack Publishing. As previously mentioned, my name is Doug Ortiz from the consulting company named Illustrious LLC. A little about myself. I have 4+ years of experience architecting, designing, and implementing solutions on cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, along with on-premise and custom solutions for a variety of clients and projects across multiple industries. A few of the certifications achieved are Big Data, Data Science, and Scala. In this course, we will be learning about Apollo GraphQL, GraphQL concepts and terminology, Apollo development, data manipulation with GraphQL, and lastly, developing our own sample application. This course is divided into 5 sections. Section 1 explains what is Apollo GraphQL, its different editions, versions, and tools. We will also walk through the origins of GraphQL, concepts, the glossary revolving around GraphQL, a review of the data transport history, and a comparison of GraphQL versus REST. Section 2 takes a look at the definition of a GraphQL query and the terminology associated, leading us into the concept necessary for manipulating data. Section 3 examines schemas, introspection, stitching, remote schemas, and schema transforms. Section 4 explores the setup, tools, development tools, libraries, and familiarizing ourselves with the Apollo GraphQL playground. Section 5 will take all the knowledge we have learned throughout the course and build an application from the ground up. The prerequisites for this course are having knowledge of a high-level programming language such as JavaScript, Java, Python, Ruby, or Scala, access to either a Mac, Windows, Linux with admin or root system permissions, and of course, internet access with a browser of your choice. This course is for those who are seeking to learn and or get a better understanding about Apollo GraphQL and GraphQL. Most importantly, how these two platforms are related yet different from one another. The course is for those who are either architects, developers, or possess a minimum amount of technical skills, mostly because it will make it easier for them throughout the sections. Do not fret nor feel discouraged if you feel that you're lacking some of these technical skills. Instead, be prepared to do some research to get the most out of this course. The goals of this course are to understand what Apollo GraphQL is, along with its additions, versions, tools, and setup. Grasp the concepts of the pros and cons for GraphQL. Realize the relationship between queries and schemas while making you aware of the development process and tools available for GraphQL, Apollo GraphQL in particular. And lastly, data manipulation, how to manipulate your data and build an application at the same time.